All right, world. Out here with Stefano. We're digging up a main sewer line here for a clean-out installation. Looks like we got some clay, huh?
Yeah.
Be careful, Steph. That might be a pipe.
Pipe? Yeah.
Yeah, you never know. But anyway, we're going to be putting in a clean out here for future maintenance purposes of the sewer line. Coco Drains is at your service, world. All right, there's a cast iron sewer pipe. Very shallow. Go in more. Oh, Stefano, flip the grinder.
Okay.
Yes, and then go. Because the grinder was hitting the
The pipe.
the hub. Yeah, that's why it was not going deeper. Go down more. Yeah. Got Stefano out here cutting his first cast iron pipe for a clean out installation. Trying to keep That's okay. Push it back and turn the other way. Tighten it more and turn it the other way.
Like this way?
Yes. Yeah, almost there. Almost there. Nice. All right, got that piece cut. Got the cast iron cut, got the clay cut. There's our old pieces. Stefano's putting this clean out together, world. Coco Drains is at your service. Alright, got Stefano putting this clean out in. Here's the riser. Had to go up at a bit of an angle because there's this pipe pretty much centered with the sewer line, so we can't come up straight with the riser. So we went off at a little bit of an angle, but that's okay because to snake the line, we're going to put the machine here and we can go around this way to enter the sewer.